Most people fail Kilimanjaro not because of their legs, but because they pick the wrong route to save time. Kilimanjaro isn't a technical climb, but at 895 meters, it's a massive endurance test. You'll hike through 5 distinct climate zones, starting in lush Tanzanian rainforests. The biggest choice you'll make is the route. The Marangu route offers hut sleeping, but the success rate is brutally low due to rapid ascent. Instead, look at Machim or Lemosho. They follow the walk high, sleep low principle, which is critical for acclimatization. Lemosho is my top pick. You start on the quiet western slopes, crossing the stunning Shira Plateau. Over 8 days, you maximize summit chances while dodging the early crowds. Around day 4, you hit the Alpine Desert. You'll climb to the 600-meter lava tower for lunch, then descend to camp. This is where altitude reality usually kicks in. Here's why this matters. Your success rate directly correlates with days on the mountain. A 5-day rush gives you less than a 30% chance of summiting. Stretching it to 8 days pushes your odds above 85%. Don't cheap out on acclimatization days. Summit night is brutal. You wake up at midnight in freezing temperatures and hike up endless steep scree slopes in the dark. It's entirely a mental game from here. For gear, a 0-degree sleeping bag is non-negotiable for high camp. Pair it with a 30-liter day pack. The mistake most people make is carrying too much daily weight. Let your porters handle the heavy duffel bag. Finally, you reach Stella Point at sunrise, pushing along the crater rim to Uhuru Peak. The massive glaciers up here are breathtaking, making every miserable step totally worth it. Logistics matter. Fly into Kilimanjaro Airport, get your visa, and budget $2,000 to $5,000. Target January to March or June to October. Always verify your operator is KPAP certified to ensure porters are paid a fair wage. Which route is for you? If you want the classic scenic experience and have decent fitness, choose the 7-day Machim. For the absolute highest success rate with quiet wilderness, book the 8-day Lemosho. See you on the roof of Africa.